hierarchical clustering, okay, talks about, okay, so see, there are two types of hierarchical clustering. Okay, one is called agglomerative. Okay,
Okay.
agglomerative means you are combining the values. Okay, and then you have divisive. Divisive means you are dividing the values. Okay, so to do that, let me run this. Okay, and okay, so maybe sample will take 20. Okay, easy to explain. It's take 20 dots. Okay, I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, so this is your data points. Okay, now I want to group it, right? Objective of clustering is to group it, right? And different algorithms tries different ways to group it. So we use something called as here dendrils. Dendrils is the distance between 2 points. Dendrils is the distance between 2 points. Okay, so point one, we are doing agglomerative. Agglomerative hierarchical clustering. Agglo, combining, joining. Okay, agglo. So we have, okay, this plot here. Okay, now see which two dots are clear, nearest, agglomerative. Okay, joining. So two nearest dots will be joined. So you have these two dots, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nearest. So what it will do, it will join these two dots. Okay, so
Okay.
let's say we call this as dot one, or customer one, customer two. The average distance of this, okay, is something like this. Agreed? This is the average distance between these two dots. Now, when you do when you combine them, then one single dot is representing both these dots at the center, at the midpoint of this.
Okay.
Okay, so two dots get combined and replaced with one dot at the midpoint of that dot. So let's say this is your midpoint. Now you see which are the two nearest dot. Maybe these two. Correct?
Yeah.
So 3 and 4. So this is your 3, 4. We have 20 dots, right? So let's say we call this new dot at 21 and this dot as 22. No, the dot which is going to replace.
Separately, we are going to find out pairs which are nearest.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, so this is your 21. This is 22.
Yeah.
Little taller than this, right? Each of these will be little taller. Now, if you see, probably these two dots is nearest.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you will have something like this, little taller than this. Now, probably these dots are same. So now if you look at this dot, okay, so what you will do is, okay, now maybe, okay.
Can the same dot be considered in two groups, sir?
Wait. No, see this two dot is becomes one dot. No, why are it's a new dot?
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now these two are closer. So
Okay.
you will draw a line dendricals. Okay, it's called dendrical like this.
Okay.
Okay, this is your previous dot. So you'll create these dots like this. Okay, and you will end up getting, okay, let me open a, okay, 10. So the plot diagram is called as dendrograms. Okay, they're called dendrogrills, and the plot is called dendrogram. Okay. Let's take this one. you will end up getting something like this. Okay, first 2, then 3 combine. Finally, you will be combined to 1. So, okay, you'll combine it to 1 graph. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so let me take this. Okay. This one. Okay, let's say this is what you get. Now you have to look at this distance, whichever is the maximum, biggest distance. Okay. So, so this is also big, right? Probably this is also big. Now you decide where you want to make a cut. If you put a cut here, let's say, okay, if you say cut here, how many groups do you end up getting? So you will get, okay, this is one group.
Yeah.
This is another group. Okay, this whole thing is one group. 3. Okay, this 2 is one group. 4 and 5. You will get a 5 group. So here K is 5. Okay, number of centers cluster is 5, and these are classified as one group. These 2, okay, the 2 will make one group. Okay, one group, so on. This is how you end up getting ventricles. Okay, this is called agglomerative. Okay, now we have divisive. Divisive, the process of creating dendrogram is different, but once you get the dendrogram, it's the same process. What it says is, we'll remove all these dots with just one center. So you start with center equal to 1. Okay, you start with center equal to 1. So what happens? Okay, everything will report to here. Correct? Now it says, okay, starting is 1. Now it says, okay, remove the farthest group from here. Remove the farthest group. In this case, let's assume this is farthest. So this will become one group, and this entire thing will be one group.
Okay.
Then this dot might move here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now I'll say again, remove the farthest one. So this will be removed.
Okay.
So you are removing one by one. You start with one center and you end up with n number of centers. In agglomerative, you start with n number of centers, assuming that each of these are individual center, and you end up getting one. So you have to follow all the process, okay? 1 to n, n to n. And then you draw the dendrogram, and based on dendrogram, you select what is the right value of K, and that becomes your number of clusters, and you get that answer.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll leave it here for today. The notes, there is, I think, some data set. Okay, I'll give you that, and if you can practice hierarchical on your own, that will be great. Okay.
Okay.
It's just matter of right now you understood what it is, right?
Yes,
Line will be 4 lines of code, not a big deal. Okay.
Okay.
So do that. Okay, and then we will. Okay, we'll see you.
Yes, sir.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir.